Wow, what an absolutely gorgeous makeover. She not only cut her hair, but she got the contrasting color trend with the blonde and black pixie combination. So pretty. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have the stylist doing a buzz cut. Wow, and she went platinum. Oh, she looks absolutely radiant. What a gorgeous makeover. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with super long waist-length hair. The stylist places the hair in some ponytails and then begins to cut. And she ends up getting this flawless, voluminous bob. Wow. I love how much volume this has. Absolutely stunning makeover. Beautifully done. Next up, we have this very nice mid-length cut. This one features Philip Wolf and Alfredo Lewis working together. So he puts in some beautiful layers within the cutting, adds some color. Look at those layers mixed with the color. So pretty. Beautiful. I feel like the layers really gives the traditional bob a nice amount of edge. Such a gorgeous hairstyle. And then we move on to the next transformation. So she has some mid-length hair here. Looks like she's going to be getting some layers. And then we see someone with a pixie getting some color done. Wow, such a gorgeous lavender and black pixie style. I love her natural texture mixed in with the color. Such a pretty hairstyle idea. Very cool. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.